Good time of the day, my friends. Today we consider with another useful feature of the Eocortex version 3.6, which is called Archive Episode. Archive Episode is a long-term archive storage. We can save some fragments and delete it only manually. They will not be overwritten cyclically along with the rest of the archive. If you have Enterprise or the Ultra licenses, this feature already can be used and is not available on other licenses. You don't need to pay extra for the function, it will work after its installation and configuring. Just update your servers to version 3.6, download a separate Eocortex episode archive service from our website and install it on your computer. No additional care required, service is available on Windows and Linux systems. After installation, in Configurator choose the section of Servers, General Settings, Services, and at the bottom we activate the checkbox Archive of Episodes. Enter the IP of the computer where we install this service and port, that is 8899 by default. The default password is an empty field. If you wish, you can change it clicking the Change Password. We check the connection, everything is OK, and continue the settings by clicking the Configure button. Here we select one of the hard drives of the computer where it will be recorded. In my case it's D, and storage capacity of this is 90 GB. You can always change if needed. Apply everything, and let's see how it works in the client application. Eocortex client is launched to generate the necessary episodes. We go to the archive of the required camera by clicking the right mouse button, and from here we click again and select Add to the episode archive. In the same way, it is available from the client control panel in the archive section, clicking the right button again, doing the same actions. Here is the menu for adding an episode. We set the beginning and the end of episode manually, or we can use the required time below, the start and the finish of the episode. You can write a short comment why it was saved, and after it's being sent to the queue of other episodes waiting to be formed. Archiving can be performed by different operators from different computers, and episodes will be created in order. Let's do this with several channels. In the Additional section, we select Episode Archive. All the necessary episodes are presented in the form of a table. Some of them are already loaded, we see their size, and some are still in the queue. By pressing the refresh button, we see them that have started to load. There are also various filters on the left to quickly find the episode you need. You can filter it by the time, you can find it by descriptions and by the users generated them. A little lower, on which cameras you need to view episodes. Let's look at the last day. Here it is. When we select the episode we need, there are small preview on the left, or by clicking we can play the episode. It's also possible to export the entire episode or delete it by clicking the right mouse button, or the same buttons we can see here on the right. And at the bottom there is a scale for filling the space on our archive of episodes. The main thing is that there is enough space on the hard disk, otherwise an error will occur and the system will warn the operator that the space has run out. In this case, you will need to delete old episode manually or change the space for episodes in the settings. You can use the function from any client side, the main thing is that user has the appropriate rights. I hope you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe are also welcome. See you soon!